Now we are going to see banking of curved tracks. What is banking of curved tracks? In narrow bends in roads and in rails, the outer is raised to the inner rails or curves. This is done for giving the necessary friction so that the vehicle traveling on it or the train will not topple down in sharp curves. This banking of curves, if you go to Kodaikanal, Ooty or Simla, any hill stations, you could have seen in sharp bends a board not exceeding certain velocity. Why that board is there? Because already they have banked that curve at an angle such that it will not skid or topple down if it is below that velocity. Even if the banking is done and if you go exceeding that velocity in the hairpin bend, the vehicle will topple down. So, with what velocity, if a vehicle goes, at what angle it has to be banked, all that can be found using a formula tan theta is equal to v square by rg. Now we are going to see how we are going to apply this in a problem. A curved road of diameter 1.8 kilometer is banked so that the friction is required at a speed of 30 meters per second. What is the banking angle? Here he has given the diameter of the road so that the radius of the curve we can calculate, and the speed is also given, and the gravity is 9.8 meters per second square. You can easily calculate. So 2r here is 1.8, that is the diameter, kilometer, which is equal to 1800 meters. So from this you can find r to be 900 meters. And the speed, the velocity with which it travels, he has given it as 30 meters per second. And what angle it has to be banked? It is the question. Now tan theta is equal to v square by rg, where the v square means it is 30 into 30 divided by r is 900 meters into 9.8. So 30 into 30 is how much? 30 into 30 is 900. So this 900 and 900 will get cancelled. And 1 by 9.8 is 0.102. This is equal to tan theta. And you need to find the angle theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.102, which is 6 degrees. Using the logbook, you can find the tan inverse from right to left. It will show you 6 degrees. Thank you.